Henry Moseley stated that the atomic number is the more fundamental property as compared to atomic masses. So, the modern periodic table that we are going to study is based on the atomic numbers opposed to atomic masses. So, the modern periodic law stated that the properties of atoms, they are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. So, here let us not confuse atomic number with the atomic masses. Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of any atom, whereas the atomic mass is the sum of the neutrons and protons present in the nucleus of any atom of the element. So, in modern periodic table, the elements are being classified or arranged on the basis of their increasing atomic numbers. तो जब हमने इन एलिमेंट्स को उनके इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक नंबर के अकॉर्डिंग रखा था मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल में, तो इट वाज क्वाइट क्लियर एंड सॉर्टेड टू नो और टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट्स. ऑल्सो जो 3 ड्रॉबैक्स हमने मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल के पढ़े थे, वो सारे ड्रॉबैक्स भी सक्सेसफुली सॉर्ट हो गए थे इस मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल में. Now, this is the only reason कि हम इस modern periodic table को आज भी successfully पढ़ते आए हैं. So, this modern periodic table, it has 118 elements in all, which consist of 18 groups and 7 periods. So, the elements belonging to the same groups, they have the same number of valence electrons. अब हाइड्रोजन को ग्रुप 1 के अल्कली मेटल्स में रखने का ये रीजन है दैट हाइड्रोजन कैन फॉर्म कंपाउंड्स विथ हैलोजन जस्ट लाइक अल्कली मेटल्स. तो हाइड्रोजन को ग्रुप 17 के हैलोजन मेटल्स के साथ में भी रखा जा सकता है, बट does hydrogen form compounds with other non-metals as well, so its position is not fixed. So here you can also observe that first row contains of 2 elements. The second and third row consist of 8 elements, and the rest of the rows, they consist of 18 elements in all. So, the position of the elements can tell us the chemical reactivity and also the chemical properties of the elements. So, another trend that we can see in this periodic table is about atomic size. Atomic size can be referred to as the radius of the atom. It can also mean that the distance, it also shows the distance between the 2 nucleuses of any 2 atoms or elements. So, the elements can be classified into 4 types according to this periodic table. So, the first type